We're gonna morning harvest. Morning harvest for our blackberry, mga guys. Wow. Oh, may mga malalaki dito, oh. Oops. Very juicy. Yung iba na ano na kasi sobrang busy ako kasi hindi ako na harvest sila, kaya the more sila na hina-harvest, the more sila na dumadami. Yan. Wow. So good. It's so windy today. Careful, mommy, it's torn. Ay, mas tamis tong ano na to. Wow. To harvest. Gagawa ako ng ano, cookies. So I'm gonna make some cookies. Cookies, blackberry oatmeal. Oh.